Most people say that I don't have time. I always run out of time. Today's video will guide you how to have more time in your life to do the things you need to do. Hi beautiful souls, this is Bithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. How to have more times. This is the video you need to watch. Let's begin with number 1. Prioritize your task that you need to do by making a prioritized to-do list. So if you have 10 work in a day, you need to prioritize what are the work you need to give priority first. Make a hierarchy of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And according to that, make a priority list of to-do things. And when you do a to-do priority list, you will keep on doing one after another. And when you are done with that, you can actually have more time, because this activity will save a lot of time. Your mind is more organized when you're doing this. Number 2, to have more time in your life, learn to say no. We have done a lot of things. We do a lot of things on daily basis, which we can actually say no. For example, if you have something important to do, but your friend calls you, your parent call you, or anybody, when you prioritize those, or somebody asks you to come out or go somewhere, when you prioritize those by not saying no, you actually kills a lot of time. So if you really wanted to have more time in your life, you have to learn the art of saying no. Number 3, cut down your watching TV time and watching Netflix time. Limit it to a very small amount of time if you really want to have more time in your life, because these are the activities which takes a lot of your time in life. So cut off TV and Netflix if you really want to have more time to do more work and become successful in life. Number 4, plan your day in advance. If you want to have more time the next day, want to have more time, more productive time and time for yourself, plan it advance. Plan it the day before going to sleep. Plan your day next. And that's how you can actually save a lot of time. Number 5, do the hard task first. So what we do is, whatever our task for the day is, we actually postpone the hard work later, because it's hard, because it's difficult to do, and we do the easiest things first. But here, if you really want to have more time, you actually will be doing the hard work, the difficult one first, and then the easier one. That's how you will have a lot of time for yourself, a lot of more time for yourself. Next, focus on one work at a time. When you are scattered, when you're doing multiple things together, none will be done. And when none will be done, your mind is scattered, your time will also be scattered. So take one task at a time, complete it, and go to the next task. Next, reduce your social media timing. The time you spend on scrolling your reels and other stuffs is actually consuming a lot of time for your life. Set out only 15 minutes social media every single day, and that is the only time you will be doing your social media. Not all the time when you're in between your work, you're just scrolling and watching, and don't do that. Just set aside a time for social media every single day, and no more social media throughout the day. And last but not least, set reminders in your mobile. Set reminders, set alarm reminders. For example, if you have task A, B and C, you schedule the time. I will do the task A from 1 p.m. to 2. I'll take a break. I will do the second task, which is task B, from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. and accordingly the next. So when you schedule it, you will be able to do your work in the scheduled time. You will be more organized, you will be more disciplined, and that's how you will have more time for yourself. So these are some common practices that you can practice daily to have more time for yourself, and you will never run out of time. To leave a comment below about your thought in this video and how you manage more time. I want to know it. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.